Hello, forward-thinking individuals and business enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Recruiter Talk. Today, we're diving into an exciting and game-changing topic, the future of work, remote work's impact on businesses. In this video, we'll explore how remote work has reshaped the business landscape, offering new possibilities and challenges for employers and employees alike. Let's embark on this journey into the future of work. Before we begin, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our content on the ever-evolving world of work. Now, let's get started. Remote work has seen a meteoric rise in recent years. We'll explore the factors driving this shift, from technological advancements to changing employee preferences. Discover why remote work has become a mainstream choice for businesses of all sizes. Our journey begins with a critical factor that has played a pivotal role in the remote work revolution: technological advancements. The digital age has brought us an array of tools and platforms that enable seamless communication and collaboration, regardless of geographical barriers. Video conferencing, project management software, and cloud-based storage have empowered remote teams to work together as effectively as their in-office counterparts. These technological innovations have not only bridged the gap between physical distances but have also enhanced productivity and flexibility. Remote work is no longer limited by the constraints of traditional office setups, allowing employees to create their own optimal work environments. As we proceed, let's explore another crucial driver: the evolving preferences of the modern workforce. Employees today seek a better work-life balance and value the flexibility that remote work offers. Commuting, often a time-consuming and stressful aspect of traditional office setups, is being replaced with more meaningful activities. The ability to tailor their work schedules to personal needs has resulted in increased job satisfaction and reduced burnout. This shift in mindset has encouraged businesses to adopt remote work policies to attract and retain top talent, regardless of their physical location. Our discussion now turns to the benefits that businesses reap from embracing remote work. Beyond just meeting employee preferences, remote work has proven to be a strategic choice that contributes to the bottom line. By tapping into a global talent pool, businesses can access diverse skill sets and expertise. Moreover, remote work reduces overhead costs related to office space and utilities. This has a particularly positive impact on startups and small businesses, enabling them to allocate resources more efficiently. Additionally, remote work enhances continuity planning, as teams can continue operating even in the face of unforeseen disruptions. The COVID-19 pandemic served as a powerful case in point, where businesses with remote capabilities could swiftly adapt to the new normal. Of course, no trend comes without its challenges. Remote work is no exception. Let's uncover some of the common obstacles faced by remote teams and the strategies businesses are employing to overcome them. Communication and collaboration can sometimes suffer due to physical separation. However, businesses are actively implementing regular check-ins, video calls, and virtual team-building activities to foster a sense of unity. Moreover, maintaining work-life boundaries can be tricky when your home becomes your office. Establishing clear routines and designated workspaces is essential to prevent burnout and ensure productivity. Remote work offers a multitude of benefits for businesses, including increased productivity and access to a global talent pool. However, it also presents unique challenges such as team collaboration and maintaining company culture. We'll delve into these advantages and obstacles in depth. Let's begin by highlighting a key advantage: increased productivity. Contrary to initial concerns, studies have shown that remote workers often exhibit higher levels of productivity. Freed from the distractions of a bustling office environment, employees can tailor their work environments to their preferences. Remote work allows individuals to structure their day around their natural rhythms, leading to better focus and efficiency. Moreover, the lack of a daily commute provides employees with extra time, which they can channel into their tasks. Our next stop showcases a major boon that remote work brings: access to a global talent pool. Businesses are no longer bound by geographical constraints when hiring talent. By tapping into a diverse range of skills and experiences from around the world, companies can foster innovation and creativity. This not only improves problem-solving capabilities but also contributes to a more inclusive work environment. blank, underscore, blank. Now, let's steer our conversation towards the challenges that remote work presents. One of the foremost obstacles is team collaboration. When physical proximity is replaced by virtual interactions, how can businesses ensure effective teamwork? Collaborating across time zones and using digital communication tools can lead to misunderstandings. To address this, companies are adopting agile project management techniques, fostering transparent communication, and encouraging regular check-ins. Another significant challenge is preserving company culture in a remote setting. How can businesses create a sense of unity and shared values when employees are scattered? Maintaining company culture requires intentional effort. Virtual team building activities, online social gatherings, and creating spaces for informal conversations can all contribute to nurturing a strong sense of belonging. Balancing work and personal life is a tightrope act for many remote workers. The lines between professional and personal spaces can blur, leading to burnout. Setting clear boundaries between work hours and personal time is essential. Encouraging employees to take breaks, encouraging offline time, and fostering an open dialogue about mental well-being are strategies that businesses are employing to address this challenge. To thrive in the remote work era, businesses need to adapt their policies and strategies. We'll discuss flexible work arrangements, remote onboarding, and innovative approaches to foster a positive remote work culture. Our journey begins with the cornerstone of remote work success, flexible work arrangements. Businesses must adapt to a workforce that values autonomy and work-life balance more than ever before. How can they achieve this delicate equilibrium? Embracing flexible work hours and results-oriented performance metrics empowers employees to manage their responsibilities efficiently. This autonomy boosts morale and allows individuals to customize their workdays according to their personal needs. Employing tools for task tracking and clear communication ensures that teams remain aligned despite varied schedules. By prioritizing output over hours worked, businesses create a culture of trust and empowerment. Transitioning to remote work extends to the very beginning of an employee's journey, onboarding. How can businesses ensure new team members feel welcomed, engaged, and equipped to excel? Remote onboarding demands a deliberate approach. Virtual welcome sessions, personalized training plans, and mentorship programs help new hires integrate seamlessly into the company's culture and operations. Providing clear documentation, access to resources, and fostering open lines of communication during the onboarding process are key to setting the stage for a successful remote work experience. Maintaining a positive remote work culture requires creativity and commitment. What innovative strategies can businesses employ to nurture a sense of belonging and camaraderie? Virtual team building activities, such as online escape rooms or virtual coffee breaks, can inject fun and camaraderie into remote teams. These initiatives encourage interaction beyond work-related discussions. Regular video meetings that go beyond task updates allow teams to bond and share personal experiences, strengthening connections that might otherwise falter due to physical distance. In the remote work era, employee well-being and mental health have taken center stage. How can businesses ensure their remote workforce stays healthy and motivated? Encouraging regular breaks, promoting physical activity, and providing resources for mental health support are essential. Additionally, companies can organize virtual wellness challenges to foster healthy habits. Open communication channels for employees to discuss their challenges and concerns are vital. Flexibility in workloads during particularly stressful periods demonstrates a genuine commitment to employee well-being. The future of work lies in the concept of hybrid work, combining remote and in-office elements. We'll explore how businesses are embracing this model to achieve the best of both worlds and enhance their workforce's work-life balance. Let's begin by understanding the rise of hybrid work and why it's gaining traction. As businesses adapt to the changing landscape, what's driving this shift towards a balanced approach? The desire for flexibility and a more balanced work-life integration has led businesses to recognize that one size does not fit all. Hybrid work empowers employees to choose where they work based on the nature of their tasks, ensuring peak productivity and personal well-being. Moreover, the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of remote work and unveiled the potential of remote collaboration tools. As we move forward, businesses are realizing the potential to blend the advantages of remote work with the benefits of face-to-face interactions. The allure of hybrid work lies in its promise of harmonizing remote and in-office elements. How are businesses embracing this model to achieve the best of both worlds? By allowing employees to split their time between remote and in-office work, businesses are optimizing productivity. Routine tasks can be completed individually while collaborative sessions and creative brainstorming are facilitated in the office setting. This approach also fosters diversity and inclusion by accommodating different work styles and personal circumstances. For instance, parents may appreciate the flexibility to work from home on certain days to balance family commitments. A cornerstone of the hybrid work model is enhancing work-life balance. How does this approach address the challenges posed by traditional office setups? Hybrid work helps reduce commute times and the associated stress, allowing employees to channel that energy into meaningful activities. This translates to improved mental health, better focus, and greater job satisfaction. However, it's essential for businesses to set clear boundaries between work and personal life, ensuring that the flexibility offered doesn't lead to constant availability. Transparent communication about availability and expectations is key. Blank. As we look to the future, how will the hybrid work model reshape the modern workplace? The office will transform into a hub for collaboration, innovation, and building strong relationships. Employees will come together for team meetings, workshops, and social interactions, amplifying the sense of belonging to a shared organizational culture. Companies will need to invest in technology that bridges the gap between remote and in-office teams. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and advanced communication tools will become crucial to ensure seamless collaboration across locations. And that wraps up our exploration of the future of work, remote work's impact on businesses. I hope this discussion has shed light on the exciting possibilities and challenges businesses face in this new era. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues and business-minded friends. Don't forget to subscribe to The Recruiter Talk for more content on career development and the ever-evolving world of work. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, embracing remote work's potential can lead to a more agile and thriving business future. See you in the next video.